If you need to recover your Threads account but don't have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads app on your device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for the recovery process. Step 2. Go to the login page. On the main screen, tap on the option to log in. You will see a prompt for entering your account details. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Tap on it to initiate the recovery process. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you don't have access to your email, select any alternative recovery options provided, such as using your phone number or answering security questions. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions for the selected recovery method. This may involve receiving a verification code via SMS or answering security questions to verify your identity. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Threads account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Threads support for further assistance.